Local governments. Among those who were kidnapped, we have a deputy director from the National Assembly Commission, Service Commission, and the brother to Pastor Kukawa, Bishop Kukawa, sir. The camera, please. Bishop Kukawa. Sir, on rescue, we have been able to give them some medical attention, hand over to their family, reuniting them with their family. Sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Kidnap and banditry to the families. It's something that a tough one always for us to go through. These are innocent victims. Very, very unfair. Evil people turn our lives upside down. We have been with them for a couple of months. But we thank God. Today we are releasing 60. And hopefully that will be the final one from that part of Nigeria. Last week we did about 50 something. Today we are doing maybe the rest of those who are still in captivity. I want to once again use the opportunity to thank our armed forces, thank our security forces, services. All TINUBU is working. Daily we are improving. Daily we are doing what we are asked to do. Daily we are serving our country. Daily we are restoring order, security, and stability. Daily we are getting freedom back to our own people. We will continue to do so. We will not relent. We will not stop. I'm grateful today we are joined with the Minister of Defense, who have been exceptional. He is giving a massively good leadership to the armed forces. We are seeing the result. The collective collaboration, all of us, is yielding the results that we are seeing daily. We will continue. We will go after these people, those bad people who are responsible for this type of horrible, horrible criminal activities. Releasing them is not the end of the story. We will make sure that justice is done. Anybody who is involved will never see peace with him or with those who he decided to work with. We are going to continue. But I want to also use the opportunity to talk to our people. Please stop giving money to these people. It's one of the worst things that is happening. It's the most difficult thing we have faced. Many of these people, as you see them, their families are giving money to these people. But it did not lead to their own release. No, it is we, the security forces, that have got them out. It's not the money that they are giving. These people, the more you give, the more you are compounding the problems for us. We have never given anybody a dime. We don't. And we don't want people to do so. Please stop it. Inadvertently, it may be helping this thing. And we are saying enough is enough. We will not be able to stop this thing quickly if people continue to give them money. I want to make a very strong appeal to all. It's understandable. When someone of yours is in captivity, you will do whatever it takes for you to get him back. But this is counterproductive. It's actually encouraging for you to continue. The whole essence is to get money. And if you continue to give them, you are actually saying go and do more and more. We are appealing to our people, to the country, to everybody, that please, let's stop giving this money. Give us a chance for us to do the work. We will get it done. And I will invite the Minister of Defense to say something before we formally hand over these wonderful Nigerians to their own families. Going through what you normally do, go through medical checks, improve and check them and see how good they are, and then we now give them back to their own families. Thank you very much.
The Office of the National Security Advisor has been very, very helpful in coordination and bringing the services together to work for a common cause, and that is why you see the result. We thank you more immensely because I've been working day and night with you. You never get tired. And I believe this is because of the respect and the trust you have in this country. And I believe the president has been very, very, very supportive to us. Indeed, he has supported all the projects, all the works that we are doing. So again, thank you, Mr. President, for giving us the ability and the support to do this work. And by the special grace of God, the coordination of the National Security Advisor and the services, I'm sure we will see end to insecurity in this country. Once again, we thank also Nigerians for building the trust they have in us and the fact that in recent times we have seen the trust, the informations they give now to us to face these challenges. So I'll continue to urge the citizens to continue to give us vital information that will lead to operations like this so that we'll continue to fight the bad people till the end. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We appreciate government for their effort in bringing us out from that bondage. Okay? So I talk about corruption. There are no people who work corruption. When they see somebody beside you, they change you purely rape and you are dead. You say, you people forget your father's name. But what I'm advising that they came out, almost 20 of them escort us yesterday. They can arrest instead of killing them and go and arrest them, send them to some cannot even catch one of them. They are stuck illiterate. They don't know what they are doing. If they can bring them out, if they want to learn work, any apprentice work, they can send them, reorientate them, that they can bring them to because as they are leaving that place, I believe because if you go to highway and start they can't just put their hand like that and just talk like that. The gun is there, they don't play the gun. My advice is to instead of killing them, arrest them, orientate them. People that anyone that can educate them, they can learn work. That's my advice.
How many days did you spend up here?
They picked me from Akpoti-Uduaghan. I spent was there. I came there on 26th of January, and I left here yesterday, 7th.
26th of January.
And that's 2 months, 7 days. Yes.